Hey everyone, purpose of this video is to do just a basic overview of the Delta MS300 keypad. So I'm going to go over the buttons on the keypad and the different display options, and then also the LED indicators. We've got timestamps there, so if you want to skip ahead, go for it. I'm going to start by going over the buttons on the keypad. So you've got run and stop buttons. You can program the drive to run off of these keypad buttons. So you run, stop. Your stop button also works as a reset, so if you have any faults, you can reset those on the keypad. Your mode button cycles through your different display options. Your enter button will get you into your parameters, and then will also let you save changes to parameters. And your up and down arrows change the value that you want to get to. So there you go, end, saved that parameter. Mode will back you out of the parameters, and then continue to cycle through your displays if you want to. The last one is your potentiometer. You can program the drive to run with a speed reference from this potentiometer. So pretty straightforward. So next I'm going to go over your different keypad display options. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the keypad display options. I'm going to be pressing the mode button to cycle through the different display options. The capital F is your frequency reference, so this is the speed that you want the drive to be outputting. The capital H, this is your actual output frequency, so when you're running, you see this number ramp up to your frequency reference. When you're stopping, you'll see this number ramp back down to 0. The U with the bar, this is your DC bus voltage. This is your programmable display option, so you can use parameter 00-04 to set which data you want to read. Capital A, this is your output amps. FRD, this is your direction control, so when the keypad is programmed to control your direction, you can set it here, forward and reverse. PLC 0, this just says that the internal PLC is disabled right now. And that completes the keypad display options. Next, I'm going to go over the LED indicators. Top left corner is your run light. So if the drive is running, you see the run light come on. If the drive is coming to a stop, so ramping down, you see the run light blink. And then once the drive is stopped, your run light comes off. The next indicators are your direction. So you can see the drive is set for forward, our indicator is going to show forward. If we change our drive to reverse, our indicator is going to show reverse. Our next indicator is the stoplight. So right now we are totally stopped, our output is 0, so our stoplight is solid. If we're running with an output, you see that the stoplight comes off. If we set our frequency down to 0, but we still have a run light on, then our stoplight is going to be blinking. So that's an indication that you have a run signal, but your frequency reference is 0 hertz. So I'll stop it. Now we're solid. Our run light indication is off. And the last indicator is our PLC indicator. So it just shows if it's off, then we're in PLC 0. If we're in PLC 1, it's blinking. If we're in PLC 2, it's stopped. And I'll do a future video that covers more information about the internal PLC. But that pretty much covers all of the different LED indicators that are on the keypad display.